What's up, guys? We're here in Elite. We're doing the giveaways for group breaks 1 and 2. I just need to go and get a timestamp place. Alright, so I'm only going to do one timestamp. It's all giveaways, so hopefully you guys aren't too worried about it. We're live at 5:19. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, 5:21. I was going to say. It's not 5:19. So 5:21. It's 5:21. So we have the 3 spot holders from the first break, the 3 spot holders from the second break, and then combined. So the first 2 are going to be for the 10 overtime packs, and then this one's going to be for the clear cut box. We're going 3 times on all lists. Top one wins. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Kyle, you got the overtime packs. For break number 2, hold on, I'm just double checking to make sure I'm not missing. Okay, cool. Break 2, 1, 2, and 3. Dubs, you got the overtime packs. And for the clear cut box, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Ruble, you got it. Do one last timestamp. 5:22. 5:22.